In this video, we're taking an honest look at Akiflow, a productivity tool that combines task management with calendar planning, and while it offers a clean, efficient workflow for busy professionals, it won't suit everyone. Akiflow's biggest strength is consolidation. You can bring tasks from multiple apps into one inbox and then time block your schedule with ease, which many users say reduces context switching and makes daily planning more intentional. Its interface is polished, shortcuts are fast, and the command bar feels great for power users who like structured workflows. However, Akiflow isn't a full project management system. It lacks deeper features like advanced subtasks or complex dependencies, making it less ideal for multi-phase or team-based projects. Some users also note friction when converting tasks and events or setting up certain workflows, and the subscription cost may feel high if you only need basic to-do management. Overall, Akiflow is a strong choice for freelancers and professionals juggling multiple tools who value time blocking and focused planning, but lighter users may find simpler apps more suitable. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.